Hello and welcome to this very fast video about how to edit audio on DaVinci Resolve 17 in 2022, and this is just a very quick way to do it. I'm going to share with you so you can get started straight away. So I'm going to pop myself down in the corner as we do. Here is DaVinci Resolve 17, and I've already pre-populated. I've pulled up a project. I already have lots of clips in, and what I want to do is I want to remove the section we have here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click that button there. That makes it go everything in the stream, and I'm going to highlight the lot and then delete. That is everything out. So we want media pool, and if you've seen some of my excellent videos before, you'll know that sometimes I do them with a little Miami Vice soundtrack to it. So I've got Crockett's theme there, so I'm going to pull that in. Let's pull it in there. Oops. It's Crockett's theme. There we go. That's just our little audio file, and we should have Miami Vice there as well, which doesn't. So they are. So there's our Don Johnson. There we go. We've got Crockett's theme there. So I'll quickly play that for you. So you see, there we go. Right, but that's got its own little audio clip there. So I want to take that clip out. So as you can see there, they are linked. So I'm going to unclick that. So it's no longer linked. So now I can just remove that element there. Now, what I need to do is I have to put one of my earphones in so I can actually hear the audio as well. Hopefully you can hear the audio too. And perfect. So we got the audio at the right place, but we want to trim our audio. So let's edit our audio. So we can do it a couple of ways. We can either use the cutting tool here and just cut. And then, as we know, we can just highlight and can shift and delete, but we've still got some audio there, or we can drag it there and drag it that side as well. So that's another way we can do it. So now we have audio and video the same. Now I'm going to highlight them both and link them. So they're now linked, so I can then move them. Oops. Cool. They are now linked. So I've got them. Now, what I want to do is, we don't really want, hopefully you can hear this. Do let me know if you can't. That'd be rather frustrating. Hopefully you can now hear this when I press the button, the play button. Okay, there's a couple of things we can do. And you see two little white arrows. We can actually adjust the volume of our audio there. We don't want to make it too much, but you've got these little arrows here. So this is where we can fade in, just drag them, just fade them in. And again, at the other end, we can fade out as well. So now we get back to the beginning. And it just comes in and just comes out. Hit that funky render button. Oh, and we'll do rendering in another. So we go deliver. That's for our rendering. And up here, interesting thing here, we've got rendering. We've got our file name, our location, video, audio file. We can choose format. We can choose all sorts of things there. I'll do a little rendering video next time. But yeah, we just add that to the render queue, let it render, and we're good to go. So that is how we just fade in and fade out audio in DaVinci Resolve 17. Yeah, and we adjusted the volume. Now there is a mixer. If I just show you again, we got, go to edit. There is a mixer panel here as well. So that something else flag up on my computer. So take that off, which will give us plenty of, can just take inspector off. So that can, we've got audio channels, and we can play around with those. Lots of different things we can do with that. And also we have Fairlight as well, where we can play around with our audio too, but they are going to be way more in-depth videos. So we'll be doing those we'll do those at a later date. So hopefully you found that interesting, and that just gets you started with editing your audio in DaVinci Resolve 17.